Welcome to creating and testing programs on your web server. In this tutorial, we will use a text editor to create a simple program and test the program on the web server. First, let's make sure the server is running. Now for this example, I will use Text Wrangler to create the program. However, you may use another text editor. Open the editor and type in the program code for the file myfirst.html from Chapter 2 of the textbook. Make sure you put in your name and the current date, and that you change the information to include information about yourself. When you have finished, save your file in the Chapter 2 folder as follows. Save as myfirst.html. Note that case is important. The file has now been saved on your web server, and if we use Finder to locate the file, we will see that it is there. Now let's test the file on the web server. Making sure it's running, go to your Coursework Chapter 2 folder, and we'll see the file is there. Yours should look similar to mine. If your file looks different, it may be that your web server is not running. Now let's create a PHP program. Open the text editor and type in the program code for myfirst.php from Chapter 2 of the textbook. When you have finished, save your file in the Chapter 2 folder as follows. Save myfirst.php. Note that you may have to take out the entire default file name, including .html, and type in the file extension .php. The file has now been saved on your web server, and again, if we look in Finder in the Chapter 2 folder, we'll see that it is there. We can test it on the web server by going to the Chapter 2 folder and running it. You will have to reload this web page in order to see your file. Your file should look similar to mine, and again, if it doesn't, then it may be that your web server isn't running. Now that you understand how to create, save, and test programs, you can continue from here to create the circle.html and circle.php programs in Chapter 2 of your textbook. Happy programming!